Simply Brill was simply brilliant.
Number 1619 Broadway stands 11 stories high. It's better known as the Brill Building. They say the neon lights are bright on Broadway. Dollars spending every dime for a wonderful time.
So publishing companies started hiring their own songwriters, putting them on a salary in exchange for the rights to their tunes.
Publishing companies were laughing all the way to the bank, while the artists were getting royally screwed. So no change there then.
Fabulous vibe. Brought back so many memories. It was just wonderful.
Such nostalgic songs that you just want to hear time and time again.
The history of rock and roll, loved it, joy.
Most importantly was the emergence of a brand new phenomenon. The
Teenagers! A different sound. One that the grown-ups declared the devil's music!
We're gonna ride it around the block tonight. Gonna ride around to party line. Gonna rock around the clock tonight.
Honestly, they pulled some serious stops to try and shut rock and roll down. But, as we all know, when a teenager wants something, you're fucked. Up-and-coming music publisher was it about to tap right on into it.
I had a vision. Teenagers should be writing songs for other teenagers.
Stupid Cupid, you're a real mean guy. I like to whip your meat so you can fly. Word was out about Aldon Music. They hired teenagers and they wrote hits. We gotta get out of this place. If it's the last thing we ever do, let our hearts still.
And it brought back memories of, I could remember where I was when I was young and hearing those songs.
And whereabouts are you from, Jimmy?
I'm from, I don't know.
Look at him, he's speechless, he's lost for words.
We walk on to my door. We walk on to my
We've been waiting for months to come and see it, and it's everything that we thought it would be. Just outstanding, world class.